Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn. On today's episode we are fitting these. So let's get on with it. So today's video is going to be on these bad boys. These more strengthening panels for the 2.8. And they have a bit of a funky name. They're called walk-in panels. And they fit on the inner wings. And as you can see from the condition that these were in, they definitely needed replacing, seeing as this one just had a giant chunk cut out of them. So we are going to be looking at these bad boys. So they're another Magnum, like Magnum PI. So yeah, they're another Magnum car panel. They are pretty much absolutely identical apart from this hole. But I imagine, in fact, I can't even tell you why they put that hole in there. But yeah, this is where they go and they fit absolutely great. For once, they're a pretty good fit. And they just look exactly as they're supposed to be. And again, I'll be just, there's just one spot weld there, again, one in the middle, one in there, and then a row across the top. But so that's why I kept the old ones. So I've got a absolute perfect match of where all the spot welds were. So here's old and new next to each other. They even managed to, you see how it's got that little slit in the top corner. They did a good job of replicating that. And yeah, I mean, all of the risers and fall bits on it are correct. I mean, that bit's a little bit different at the back there. It's a good squoze up joint, and that just needs a little tapping round to get it to be a perfect replica. But yeah, it's the quality of the panels next to each other are great. Yeah, definitely dyed that. Definitely. And yeah, so they should be nice and simple to do. So, because I'm going to use a spot welder, I'm going to have to clean these up completely. But that shouldn't be too bad. Not only do we need to clean this up, but we'd have to clean this up as well. And I've marked up to where needs cleaning. And yeah, that second one there. And measured them from that end to here. And same on the other side, so that they are equally put on together. So they're perfect from front to back. So I know you're going to have to clean that area. You're going to have to clean here as well. And the underside of this. And then I'll be able to actually get some primer in there. So we should be good to go. So here we go, we're cleaning this up, and hopefully we can use a bit of that gorgeous YouTube magic to get it to be perfectly clean. And there we go. Not is one clean, but we've got two. Gorgeous. Right then, so they are prepped and ready to go. So just got to rub down the inner and outer of the wing rails and the strut top, and we shall be ready. So I've got it roughly fitted in place, cleaned up all the area. It does fit pretty well. Just need to clean up this now on the outside and the inside. And I've cleaned back up the inner wing and where it was previously spot welded. So I'll clean up that inner piece and then we should be ready to spot weld this piece on. So we're all perfectly cleaned up now. It is pretty much perfectly aligned. So we'll set the camera up and we'll spot weld this baby on. Well, that's the first one done. So that allows me to get this out of the way. That was a good one. That's a good one indeed. Right, so we've got the old plate as well to go by. So we've got that one in that top corner. I've put one there, so we'll go with that one there. Seems to arc better working with it practically upside down. So there's one, there's two, and we'll have a third one there. Yeah, another decent one. We'll get this one and this one done now. So a bit easier to rest this on your legs. Should allow me to take this one off now. They're actually a lot lower down on the original panel. It'll just allow me to get some extra ones in for extra strength. It's actually that low down normally. Another go on that one. Yeah, totally better that one. Right, I think I'll start marking these now. Right, another one there. Another one there. One in the centre of there. Another one in the centre of there. Another one there. Another one there. One in that top corner. We're still on to, yeah, still doing 3 bits of metal. Yeah, that one didn't take. Right, and on to the last 2 now. One is still three sheets thick, and the last one's back to just 2 sheets of metal. one does not want to know at all. So there we go. That was relatively nice. So it turns out that second to last one didn't take first time round because there was the slightest little gap here, just the slightest gap. So a swift bit of beating with a hammer and a dolly from the inside and the outside. The two panels mate now and are spot welded together. So I just love this spot welder. It just makes life so easy. I'm going to be sad when I have to give it back, but hopefully by then I will have saved up enough money to buy my own for future projects, as well as a lot more on this one. So that's it for this episode, and if you enjoyed watching me fit these bad boys, then give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a share. You know, the more people who like this video, the more people will see it, the more people who share it again, the more people will see it. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.